such a special code just in case. This is also my fan code if you guys want to join. Okay. It's a casual game. You can change it whenever you guys want though. Okay, so yes. Okay, so you know me, Candy GT. I got a new look, some fresh eyebrows. I've always worn my body hair and stuff, but there's a problem. You see, I have a hate and kind relationship with someone on Yeeps. And it was just this once, and I want to see them again. So look out for in Yeeps, hide and seek. Look out for the username Sans Fan 2020, I think. It could be, it's just Sans Fan 2020. It might just be Sans Fan or something else. I'm not sure. Okay, Gus isn't joining. But the rest of this time, I'm just gonna play games and you can watch. Well, not watch, but see from my eyes. Like, you heard about my. Jesus. I hate being alone in this Halloween update. It gets spooky. Join that code and I might be in there. I might not though. I hate one. Oh, there we go.
Okay, well, I'm gonna fail it. Yo, what's your YouTube channel? I would love to check it out. Me too.
I'm on casual. You guys can watch me play casual.
K9?
I guess I can like be practicing the skills.
I think it's K9.
Practice my skill. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go in the code. I white shiny rock.
No, wait, it's you.
Wait, I'm doing
What is he doing?
Bye guys, I want to join the
What is he doing?
6. Okay, I got it. Yo guys, do you guys know about the moon event?
I guess I'll go ghost hunting with you. Ghost hunting is so cool.
Guys,
Not on purpose.
this is Sam.
Who's glitching? I swear
Who
to
wants to play
God,
real-
if
who wants to do a real
somebody
quick?
I can't
curses.
get out of here.
Try to make a family-friendly video.
It out. Yes, I have.
Jesus, I hate with that. Never females out here in your work.
How do I walk?
Him.
What is wrong?
Are you a new player? Oh wait, no, you're not.
Yeah.
Oh, then how the hell do you already have cosmetics?
This is my brother account. I never.
Oh,
played
okay,
this.
so come with me.
How do I walk?
Alright,
Your ass!
get over here.
I swear, every time I do this.
I'll show you how to walk. So do this, like swing your arms a bit.
I didn't have to. Okay, like this.
Yeah, but like more like normal ways, like this. Like
How do I tag? How do I
just
tag?
touch them.
Get riddle. I'm not trying.
Like,
There's no point.
yeah, like that. That's good. Good job.
You hear it?
Yeah, I hear you. It sounds like your mom.
And you do this, okay?
I go pretty. How do I go? Like, how do I
Okay, so watch.
do?
So jump, go back, forth, back,
How do I
forth.
do this?
Oh, well, you
How
should
do I
probably
do
learn
this?
this. Okay, so come here. We'll just watch. So look. Fry yourself up a little bit. Fry yourself up. Yeah, just do that really fast.
I'm pretty fast. But if you're not
doing
actually
it.
play real infection, can you guys join code?
Yeah, I think I know how to do it.
Okay, now I gotta show you how to do this.
I never got an
Wait, come on. I need to show you how to do this.
Yes, you did.
I saw you.
So yeah, jump, jump,
Until I'm
jump,
out of the game. That's
jump.
literally
Go,
you
go
getting
fast. Make yourself go up a little bit. Freaking
do that.
keep going. Come on, you can do it. There's no need to change, like you can. So just also like add a flick to your wrist. That makes you go up a little bit. Hey, you did amazing. You're a natural at this.
I cannot hit. I bet you can't hit red on tour.
One moment, let me get up there.
No, did you just teleport that?
Where'd you go?
Hey, I'm down here.
Sorry, my arms are glitching. There you are. Okay, so come with me.
I get different maps.
Well, let's do that later, okay? Let's do a fist bump. So stay still.
That way
Wait.
where you go.
Yeah, but wait. Don't move. Keep your hand in fist bump. Look. So if we join certain codes, we will stay together. But
What happens when I pour this?
don't, because then you'll leave my party and we won't be able to stay together.
I'm not like
Okay.
angry at you.
Okay, so follow me. I want to show you how to get to the top of that giant tree.
What is that? I think it's called. I think I know its name. I think its name. I'm going to call it Dump. I go a little fast in this game. Ah!
Purple. Orange, I'm coming over there. Wait for me.
Okay, and do a little jump. Good job.
Run, Black. Run, Black Boy.
You running?
Bro, am I tracking?
I think I know how to.
No, not yet. Come on. I'll show you how I get it.
I'm on the bottom.
So get on this branch, go up to this branch, then this branch.
Dang it.
Jump.
You just sit up there?
I am in on this one.
You do not need to skip. You can.
Hold on, my
Okay.
head hurts.
So this is hard to
Hold on,
do.
I have.
So keep a small hand on that branch where you go over to this
my
branch.
head in the wrong way. Don't tag me.
But that's so easy.
Yes. Then kind of hold on to the side a bit. Yeah. A little harder. Here, come on. Look. Oh my God, you did that. And do the exact same thing right here, with more force. Oh my God.
I made it.
Oh my God. High five.
These candles.
High five. High five. High five. You did an amazing job. You're unnatural at this game.
They're so scary.
Don't worry, they can't hurt you.
Can I just? Wee.
Wait up. You gotta wait for me.
Alright, I'm finished.
But how do you? How do
Help
I
me.
get up?
Let's join a special code.
Ooh.
What are you doing, huh?
Ooh.
Join a special code, okay?
You want me?
Candy GT.
Join.
Lucille backwards.
No, join. I want join. A.
So tell me the code.
code.
What's the code?
It's A S and then T right
T.
there.
AST?
That is a code.
Okay. AST, please. Oh, you did it! We did it! Yeah.
Okay, so how do I wait? How do I jump up here? How do I get up here?
Oh, where do you want to get up?
Right here.
Okay, you gotta do the jump, okay? The jump. Flick. Come on.
Like this.
Oh my god, you did that. You did it.
Whee!
Next time, try it without the wall, because then that's a good like character moment. Want to go look at the campfire?
Where's my? Whoa!
It's not usually purple, but since it's spooky time, it's purple.
Ow.
Can't burn you.
Wait. What? Hold on.
Come with me. This is my favorite map
What
of them
is
all.
that?
Get up
I
to this
think I
rock
know
and then
what.
launch yourself.
Because I saw the video of Gorilla Tag. I know what its name. It's called Beach Map.
Hey, what are the Gorilla Tag YouTubers you know?
I know. I know. K9 is my most favorite one.
Hey, you want to know a new one?
TTP.
You want to know something insane?
I know.
I'm a small-time YouTuber.
I'm on YouTube. That's only my brother.
Way up. I'm actually a YouTuber called Candy GT. I just make like, oh my god, why won't my hands cooperate? Dude, my hands are just going straight through it. Didn't you see? See?
You got me.
Oopsies. See, I can't even
Like
press
this.
it.
I know. Look.
But look.
You have to jump.
Oh my god, I forgot Gorilla Tag rules. I was pressing the wrong button. I've been playing Yeeps so much.
I know a trick in this.
Come back here.
I know a trick. I know a trick.
Crap, I missed.
Oh my gosh. You have to go to this. And then. Hold on. Let's go. Go the wrong way.
Okay.
Go on here, go on here, and then jump on here. I know. And then jump on that one. And you go.
Dude, you made it impossible to jump on.
Okay.
I need to redo that.
Watch this. Okay. Wait. I'm playing Crash Out Swimming. How about I can swim?
Do this. Doggy paddles.
Why is it cracking moon?
Oh. Space update, maybe?
Wait, I think I know how to.
No, Gorilla Tag.
Wait,
No.
how do I get? How do I get? I'll watch you do it. Okay. Ooh, that's so cool. That's cool.
Hey, guess what?
I really go to school, so.
Dude, wait. Titanic. He's really. Hey, dude. Yeah, dude, way up. Okay. Way up.
That's so far. I found.
Wait for me. Guess what? Dude,
Yeah.
dude, wait. Guess what? Dude, guess what?
Okay. Wait.
You're in one of my videos.
Why would it? What?
You're in one of my videos.
I'm in one of your videos?
Yeah. This is
You
what-
never been?
I'm recording right now.
Okay. Let me just do this.
What are you doing?
I'm doing a dancey. I'm doing this.
Dude, Come in here.
I have
There's a
a
crime
night-night
scene. There's a
shake.
crime scene in here, bro. There's a crime
Did you
scene.
not have a night-night shake?
Dude, there's a crime scene. This place is the best.
Wait for me. Wait for me. Because I have a night-night shake in my hand.
If I go famous, you're gonna be famous.
Mommy and Mom. Mom, I don't want it. No, I take a sip. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Yes.
What is your name? Because I don't know how to spell.
In Gorilla Tag or
Yeah.
my name is Candy GT.
Okay.
Mine on the You wanna know what mine in the Oculus is?
Mom, just let me. Hey, I don't like it.
Where'd you go? I'm hiding.
Hello?
Hello? You wanna know what my name on the Oculus is?
Hello? Yes, you're funny. Hey, that's so far ahead. Okay, I almost made it, I guess. Hello? I only want you.
Ooh, 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 see, pocketful.
What is that sound? What is that sound? Tell me. Yes, I made it! Hi.
You can't tag me immediately.
Yeah, I can.
Not right after I tag you.
But that's just...
You need to leave my time.
I'm a fast swimmer. This
Weird.
I'm a fast swimmer. I can see under.
Just keep going. Dude. Nope. Gotcha. Oh. Hey, dude. Oh my god, he's gonna catch me. He's gonna catch me, I know it. Oh my god. I think I went on the wrong rope. Oh no. What the? Wait, give me a chance. Ooh, I'm scared. What if he finds me? Oh my god, I went on the wrong rope. I sold you. I'm doomed. Why do I keep picking the wrong rope? Wait. Hey. No. How could you even dare think of tagging me? Oh, Jesus Christ! Dude, help me, help me. I'm being chased by Lucy. I think Lucy wants you to get me. Wait, please! Take mercy on me! Thank you. No way, no way. I just did that. Okay, I surrender.
It was nice meeting you.
Hey, I have a question.
It was nice meeting you, Sprout. It was nice meeting you.
Dude.
And you teach me how to study.
Dude.
So,
If you ever want to see me, just join the code Candy GT, okay? I might be there.
I have to leave a game because
Bye. If you ever want to see me join the code Candy GT.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye. Do you have back rooms?
No, but just join the code Candy GT in Gorilla Tag and we'll see each other again.
I'm leaving again.
Bye.